Hi children, today we will start our revision work. Lesson 3, synthetic fibers and plastic. First we check in this lesson what are the important parts. Then first synthetic fibers, then type of synthetic fibers, then characteristics of synthetic fibers, then advantage or disadvantage of synthetic fibers, then plastics, then plastic material as choice, then what is the advantage of plastics, then biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Then what is synthetic fibers? In previous class we already learned that fibers are of two types, synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Synthetic fibers means it is artificial or man-made. And natural fibers means it is obtained from nature. Example, cotton, jute, then silk, etc. Silk, wool, etc. Then synthetic fibers, it is obtained from our chemical processing or man-made or artificial. Example, nylon, rayon, then acrylic, etc. Then in this lesson we mainly study synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means man-made or artificial. Then type of synthetic fiber. There are three types of rayon, nylon and synthetic acrylic. Rayon means it is the mixture of cotton and silk. That means it is obtained from nature wood pulp. Then it is used to make a bed sheet, then carpets, mats, etc. Then it is nylon. Nylon is very strong, durable and elastic. It is used to make of parachutes and ropes of rock climbing. Then it is very stronger than steel wire. Then next is acrylic. Acrylic is synthetic fiber. It is wool-like feel. It is used to making sweaters, shawls, blankets and carpets. Then in this lesson, in your exercise questions, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. That means why these fibers are called synthetic, because they do not occur in nature. It is mainly produced in the process of man-made in petrochemicals. Example, polyester, acrylic and rayons. Then next, mark the correct answer. That means choose the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it is then options. Option A, it has a silk-like appearance. Option B, it is obtained from wood pulp. Option C, its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. Then answer is option B, it is obtained from wood pulp. That is, rayon is the mixture of cotton and silk. That means it is obtained from wood pulp. Then next is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. First question, synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. That means synthetic fibers are also called artificial or man-made fibers. Then synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers are obtained, raw materials means petroleum products. Then like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Polymer means it is a join of some small units. Then next is give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. That means nylon fibers are very strong. Thus they are used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Then next, explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Then why we use these plastic containers for storing food. Then plastic do not react with food items. Plastics are strong, then light and durable. Plastic containers are airtight. They are easy to handle. These are the characteristics of plastic. Then next is explain the difference between thermoplastics and thermostatic plastics. And what are the difference? Thermoplastics, These are the plastics which get deformed easily on heating. That means its heating time, their shape is changed. Example, polythene and PVC. Then thermosetting plastics. These are the plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. That means these thermosetting plastics heating time no change. Example, bakelite and melamine. Then thermoplastics. These are used for making toys, combs, various types of containers, etc. That means thermoplastics used toys, combs and various types of containers. In thermosetting plastics, bakelights are used for making electric switches, handle of various utensils, etc. Then melamine is used for making floor tiles, kitchen wires and fabrics which resist fire. Then next, explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastic. Option A, saucepan handles. This handle is made up of thermosetting plastics because it is poor or bad conductor of heat and thus we can hold the hot saucepan safely without getting our hands burned. That means the saucepan hand is made of wood or plastic. Why? Because wood and plastic cannot pass electricity. That is, it is a bad conductor of electricity. Then electric plugs, switches or plug boards. Electric plugs, switches, plug boards are made up of thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics means this cannot pass electricity. It is bad conductor of electricity and thus protect us from electric current passing through that. Then next question, some examples given how to categorize can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Plastic can be recycled. Plastic toys, carry bags, plastic bowls, ballpoint pens, then plastic chairs, electric wires with plastic covering, then cannot be recycled. Cooker handles, electric switches, telephone instruments. These are cannot be recycled. Then ninth question, Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. That means in summer season we wear cotton clothes. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. The why we wear in summer season cotton clothes because cotton absorb more sweat and produce heat. Rana should buy cotton shirts for summer because cotton clothes have pores which allow sweat to come out, evaporate and cool our body. Then give example to show that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. Example are given below shows that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Then they do not react with any substance. That is why they are used to store various kinds of materials and chemicals. Then plastic do not react with air and water, so it will not show corrosion. That means plastic do not react with food items, chemicals or other materials. Then we store food items, chemicals, medicines and other items store in plastic containers and bottles. That means plastic cannot corrosive in nature. Okay, balance discussion.